Wondering what a VHDX file is and why it's consuming so much space on your drive? It's a next-generation virtual hard disk used by Microsoft's Hyper-V platform, and it can grow quite large. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to mount, manage, and troubleshoot these virtual disk images. We're going to solve this VHDX issue, but first, a general piece of advice. A good universal viewer is a system essential. It provides quick recovery access. My suggestion is found below, and we will revisit later on. VHDX files are virtual hard disk files used by Microsoft Hyper-V and Windows. They store the complete contents of a virtual machine's hard drive, including operating system files, applications, and data in a single file. VHDX supersedes the older VHD format with support for disks up to 64 TB and improved resilience to corruption. VHDX files use a log-based metadata format with 4 KB logical sector support and configurable block sizes. The format includes a built-in change journal to protect against data corruption during power failures. VHDX supports fixed dynamic and differencing disk types with optional encryption and large sector alignment. The fundamental software link for VHDX files is built around Windows Hyper-V by Microsoft Corporation. Opening this file outside of a dedicated environment can lead to irreversible data corruption. Windows supports only limited interaction with disk images, so complete access requires dedicated software. Let's make the file accessible. Right-click your VHDX file and choose Open With. Start your test with Windows Hyper-V if available. If not, select another listed program and continue trying. If your VHDX file still refuses to open, stay calm. We've established the file is difficult. Take immediate action by running these 3 essential quick troubleshooting procedures. First, mounting in Windows. Right-click the VHDX file and select Mount or Open Disk Management and use Action. Then attach VHD. Windows mounts the virtual disk as a drive letter, allowing you to browse, copy, and modify files directly. Right-click the disk in Disk Management and select Detach VHD when finished. Next, opening in Hyper-V. Launch Hyper-V Manager and create or edit a virtual machine. Attach the VHDX file as a virtual hard drive under the VM Settings IDE or SCSI controller. Start the virtual machine to boot from the VHDX disk and interact with the operating system and data stored within. Finally, compacting and optimizing. If a dynamically expanding VHDX file is consuming excessive space open, Hyper-V Manager select Edit Disk and run the compact operation. This reclaims unused space within the virtual disk. For further reduction, convert from dynamic to fixed format, or use PowerShell's Optimize VHD CMD-let. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A universal viewer is designed to act as a versatile tool for identifying many formats, providing a reliable way to attempt access when standard programs have failed. Having exhausted the troubleshooting methods for your file, you might need a dedicated universal file viewer. FileMagick is the industry leader in bypassing these issues. Download now at filemagick.com. Confirm your success in the comments, hit subscribe so you don't miss any of my upcoming technical guides.